They say a man never really knows himself. Until his freedom's been taken away. I wonder, how well do you know yourself?
Prisoners, step forward onto the platform.
Convict 626. Murderer. Pirate. Traitor. Today, you go free. But, as you'll soon learn, even freedom has a price.
Combat suit sealed and locked.
You'll carry your prison with you. That armor will be your new cell. Make no mistake. War is coming. With all its glory. And all its horror. Mr. Findley, your freedom awaits.
Hell, it's about time.
Held a press conference commemorating the end of the so-called Brood War some 4 years ago. Our own Kate Lockwell was on the scene.
Emperor, the threat of a new Zerg invasion is still very real. But instead of expanding our fleets, you've squandered trillions on hunting down has-been rebels like Jim Raynor.
Jim Raynor represents a clear and present threat to this Dominion. He is an unscrupulous, lawless revolutionary bent on spreading fear and dissension across the sector. He and his ragtag band of miscreants have instigated open rebellion across 6 separate worlds and stolen vast amounts of the very metals This criminal will be brought to justice very soon.
It ain't over till it's over, you son of a bitch. Adjutant, are my troops ready yet?
Your forces are prepared and awaiting your orders, Commander. Uploading tactical data now.
Good. About time we kick this revolution into overdrive.
Backwater Station is the center of Dominion logistics on Mar Sara. Destroying Dominion authority here will cripple Emperor Mengsk's operations throughout the planet.
Adjutant, what do you got for me?
Dominion forces have set up a logistics headquarters in the town of Backwater Station. This has become the hub for all operations on Mar Sara. The Dominion recently pulled troops out of the city and they are now under strength.
Are the locals cooperating?
The people of Backwater Station are known to be anti-Dominion, but they lack weapons and organization.
If I can take that headquarters away from Mengsk, it'll cripple him on this planet. Prep my ship. All right, boys. Let's show the locals they don't need to fear the Dominion. Talk to me. Raiders roll. You can...
Commander, there are tutorial videos awaiting your review.
Man up. Sounds like a plan. Keep your intervals wide, your eyes open, and your asses covered. Let's move.
Don't go up that road.
You can count on me. Time to man up. Raiders roll.
Raynor. Kill him!
Time to man up. Break it down. What's the plan? You can count on me.
Keep a close watch on your neighbors. Descent will only slow our progress.
Commander, destroying the Dominion holoboards will help incite rebellion against the Dominion.
Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. I'm getting mighty tired of seeing Meng's face. Blast it. Tell me. Raiders roll. Where is everyone? You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan.
My neighbors. My family.
This is starting to look ugly. Time to man up.
Commander, a large Dominion force is gathering in the center of town.
Then it's time to call in that special delivery we talked about. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me.
Thanks for the assist. We're with you, Raynor.
Raiders roll. Sounds like...
That's Raynor. Most wanted man in...
No sacrifice.
Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Time to man up.
Your freedoms must be protected.
Sounds like a plan. What's up? This is bad. Raiders roll. Talk to me. Time to man up. You can count on me. Raiders roll. You can count on me. Finally, there's the locals.
You'll all be given a meal when you reach the dig site.
My brother went off to the mine last week. He disappeared.
We got a runner.
They're shooting civilians! Move in! Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Mengsk has a lot to pay for.
Thank you, Raynor. We knew you wouldn't forget us.
There's more people still being held up ahead.
I'll see to them. Time to...
Marshal Raynor. Been a while since we saw you around here.
We're with you, Raiders!
Time to man up. Raiders roll.
This is a restricted area. You insurgents are under arrest. We got your back, Raynor.
Time to man up. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Count on me. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me.
I didn't think we could fight them, but we can.
Now you've got the weapons and the resources to do it. Remember, Mengsk can only control you if you let him.